Hi kids, so let's continue with the story of Tansen. So now Tansen was living with the holy person Muhammad Ghaus. Now Muhammad Ghaus was a holy person, so all the big kings and queen used to call them in their palaces to take his blessings, correct? So Muhammad Ghaus used to take Tansen with him to all these kingdoms. So many times he used to go to one palace of Queen Mig- Mrignani. Okay, a queen's name called Mrignani. She used to call Muhammad Ghaus for his holy blessings, and Tansen used to go with him. Over there, Tansen met a lady called Hussaini, and he got married to Hussaini. Even Hussaini started praising and following Muhammad Ghaus, okay, the holy man. The teachings, even she started liking, and she started helping and serving Muhammad Ghaus. And those days in Delhi, King Akbar was the Delhi Sultan. Yeah, that is the king. He heard about Tansen singing. Tansen is a person who sings very well. And so Akbar called him to his court. Tansen went over there and Akbar liked it so much that he requested Tansen to be in his court forever. Tansen accepted his proposal. Okay? What do you mean by accepted his proposal? Tansen requested, okay, will you be in in my court forever? Means will you always sing for me? And Tansen said yes for it. Okay? Yeah. Now Akbar Tansen's singing was so good, so good. Akbar was mad. Whole day and night he just was listening to Akbar singing. Sometimes so at night he used to get up and go to Akbar's place. Sometime King Akbar used to get up at night and go to Tansen's place and tell him, okay, please start singing. I want to hear your singing. Then only I'll be able to sleep. And Tansen used to sing. And Akbar gave a lot of wealth and big palace and lot of money to Tansen. And he became one of the favorites of King Akbar. Now in the court, the other people started feeling very jealous because Akbar was just listening to only Tansen. He was just praising, saying great about only Tansen, no other person. So all others got very jealous about it. Correct? They all got very jealous. So they all were thinking, they all thought, okay, till Tansen is there in the court, we will never get recognition. Means the king will never see at us, the king will never listen to us. So something has to be done so that Tansen can go away from here. We should get rid of Tansen. That is what was going on in the minds of all the people in the court who were jealous of Tansen. Then one of the person, he thought of an idea. He said, after thinking a lot, he said, we will request King Akbar to tell Tansen to sing Rag Deepak. Now, kids, you know what is Rag Deepak? It is a singing of a song in such a way that heat is produced, light is produced. Deepak means what? Light. Means without we lightening candles, the candles will start lightning. Got it? So all the diyas which were there, lamps, okay, the lamps will start lightening itself when this Rag Deepak is sung. Okay, so but what happens when the person who sings Rag Deepak, first and foremost, all heat comes in that person. So that person burns, the body gets burned, and the person can die. So singing Rag Deepak is very dangerous. So till date, no one had sung. But what did the people suggested to King Akbar? Okay, you tell Tansin to sing Rag Deepak because he won't be able to do. That was what they thought. Okay, if he does, then also he will die, or he will say I can't, I don't know. Then also Akbar will feel bad because according to Akbar, Tansin can sing anything. Correct. So the moment these people went to Akbar, Akbar said, "Oh no, he did not knew what is Rag Deepaka." He just said, "Tansen can sing anything. Definitely he will sing Rag Deepak also." And so Tansen was asked, "Okay, will you sing?" It was been asked by King, and because King has demanded, Tansen did not say no, but he was very worried. Okay, if I am going to sing it, I will burn my body and I will die. So he was like very scared, like what to do, what to do. He was just thinking. And suddenly he got an idea. Tansen had a very good singer daughter. Her name was Saraswati. Okay, and a friend of Saraswati, who they both were learning music from Tansen. So Tansen thought of taking their help. What did Tansen say to them? Okay, after I finish, the moment I finish singing Rag Deepaka and all the lights get all the lamps get lighted, you all start singing Rag Megh. Now, kids, Megh means rain, rainfall. So when that Rag means what? A sound, a singing, a sound which will create rain. Okay, Rag Deepak means a sound which will create fire. So, what did Tansen suggested to the kid Saraswati and friend, that the moment I finish singing Rag Deepak and all the lamps are lighted, you all quickly start singing Rag Megh. What will happen if all the lights are lighted, all the lamps are lighted? Correct, everywhere, and it is very hot, and suddenly rain will fall. What will happen? Everything will be okay. Correct, it will be cool down, nothing will burnt. So this was the idea Tansen thought of, and then after a few days he went to the court and he started singing Rag Deepak. Now the moment he started singing Rag Deepak, slowly what happened? His body started becoming very hot because the heat started entering his body. Then he started perspirating. Perspirating means sweating. There was water everywhere on his body. Sweating started. So much heat he was experiencing. Then people could see outside the trees, plants, the leaves started falling because of heat. The trees started feeling very dry and the leaves started falling. Even the river water started reducing. Some river water started drying up. So all could feel the Rab Deepaka's effect. Means the heat has been produced. Correct. And that moment, suddenly in the court itself, all the lamps lighted. It was everywhere light because of Rag Deepaka. And Akbar was astonished, like he was surprised. Wow, what happened? Because of just singing. But he was not aware, okay, what is happening to Tansen. Tansen was now feeling so hot, like his body was about to get burned. And what happened? That same moment, Saraswati, the daughter of Tansen, and her friend, they both started singing Rag Megha, and rainfall took place. And because of that, Tansen felt cool down. But, and this way, Tansen succeeded in winning the heart of King Akbar. Akbar was very happy. He gave him more, like what he did, he just removed all the ornaments what he was wearing and gave it gift to Tansen. He was very happy. And all the jealous people, their faces were down. They felt very sad. Oh no, what happened? What we thought and what happened? Now again, Tansen is the favorite of Akbar. correct? And they were like, now we can never make Akbar separate from Tansen. That is what they understood. But what happened after this thing was over? Tansen was ill for more than 10 to 12 days because that heat was all there in the body, na? Then Akbar realized, कि, oh, because of this raga, because of Rag Deepaka, Tansen had to suffer so much. Then he said sorry to Tansen, कि I did not knew, otherwise I wouldn't have forced you to sing this raga. Got it? So this is the story. And thereafter, Tansen was the favorite of Akbar, and Tansen also made a stump for this one. For Tansen, stump means a standing pillar on which it was written, a great musician Tansen at in Gwalior at his village place, okay, as a memory, a gift to Tansen. It was given by Akbar. So this is the story of Tansen. Okay, kids? See you tomorrow. Bye bye.